Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace the timing belt on a Dodge Charger. This is a crucial maintenance task for models equipped with the 3.5-liter V6 engine. We'll cover everything from initial preparation to final testing, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. Replacing the timing belt correctly is vital for engine longevity and performance, as improper installation can lead to significant damage. Let's get started and learn how to tackle this job with confidence. Before diving in, proper preparation is key. You'll need a comprehensive set of tools, including a specialized harmonic balancer puller and a reliable torque wrench for accurate tightening. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal and secure your vehicle on sturdy jack stands. Next, drain the engine's coolant and carefully remove any parts like the airbox, fan shroud, or serpentine belt that block access to the timing belt cover. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Begin by removing the serpentine belt, followed by any accessories like the power steering pump that impede access. Then, carefully detach the timing covers to expose the belt. Critically, rotate the crankshaft to align all timing marks on both the crankshaft and camshafts. This step is non-negotiable for proper engine function. Once aligned, loosen the timing belt tensioner and gently remove the old belt. With the old belt off, it's time for the new one. Carefully route the new timing belt, double-checking that all timing marks stay perfectly aligned. Install the new hydraulic tensioner and tighten it to its precise specification, which is often around 31 Newton meters. After the belt is secure, reassemble all the covers, accessories, and engine mounts. Finally, refill your engine with coolant, reconnect the battery, and start the vehicle to check for proper operation and any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.